Yeah, we wanted to come out really strong on defense, set the tone early there, and then just let our offense flow like it usually does. For us, it always starts at the defensive end, and that carried over into tonight.
Talk to me about that defense a little bit. What you guys are wanting to do on that defensive end and how you're able to accomplish that overall.
We have a couple different approaches. Sometimes we like to sit back. When we got a bigger team, we usually sit back and deny the lane more. When we're able to, we like to get out in the passing lanes and create some pressure out there. We definitely went for the pressure more tonight, and that paid off for us.
Travis, talk about your night a little bit. You had it going early. I mean, what was working there for you?
Well, I was just open. I mean, coach tells me when I'm open to shoot. My team made some good passes to get me open, and it just went in tonight.
What is this like on this team? I mean, so many guys that can step up. I mean, so many guys that play. Just overall being part of that team and with as great a program as you guys have been over the years.
Well, it's awesome to be a part of this team. Everyone treats you like a teammate, and it's awesome being a part of it. We all have our job, and we all try to go through with it.
And usually end up doing it pretty well. John, I'm going to go to you for one more question. As you look ahead to the rest of this district tournament, starting with Shenandoah Thursday, what's it going to take for this team to make a little run here here in February?
Yeah, we got a real good Shenandoah team coming up, and I think as usual it's going to start with our defense. Definitely inside against Shenandoah. They got some pretty good big guys in there. We'll look to kind of stall them, see what they can do, and then just do what we do on defense.
I was pleased with how we came out, and kind of had a business approach attitude to it, and we came out, hit some shots early, and got a flow going, and took any wind out of their sails to come out there with an upset. So I thought that was important. We had a good start.
As usual, it started on the defensive end. It seemed like that was the case tonight for you again.
Yeah, I thought we, this year we've played a little bit different style of defense than we played in the past, and we talked about going out there and executing the game plan. I thought we did a nice job overall tonight.
And a balanced effort like you've had pretty much all season, other than really Travis, who kind of went off for you in the first half on something I'm sure you've seen from him at times that he's capable of doing. Yeah,
he kind of gets in that groove, and he's a type of kid who, once he hits that first one, they come in buckets there, and he had another nice game for us off the bench.
Shenandoah Thursday night, obviously you've seen them once in conference play. What's it going to take to get a win over them on Thursday then?
They're a darn good Hawk 10 team. I know when we played them early, they did not have their best effort here at our place. And, they're athletic. They get up and down the floor. I'm impressed how well they play defense. And so, we're going to have a great effort over there out at Trainer on Thursday night. So, it's just going to take a team effort, more guys stepping up just like we had tonight, and just come out and go to work.